Ah, that was a good stream. Turn off the fan. Nope, turn the fan back on. It's way too hot in here. Oh, hi. You were wondering about the RTMP servers, weren't you? Well, easy enough. I got your answers. So an RTMP server is a streaming server just like Stream.io. However, I'm going to show you how to get an RTMP server for, I'd say for your first year, free. Crazy, might add. No, I'm not crazy. Don't call me that. But we are going through this website called DigitalOcean. This website will do whatever you need stream-wise. So to get started on your RTMP server is quite easy. What you're going to need is three basic things. You're going to need a DigitalOcean account using the promotion code to get $10 for your account. You are going to need the program called Putty, and you're going to need every single flippin' stream key you can think of. Well, for you anyway. So what we're going to do is start off. We're going to make a droplet, which is your server. I already have my stream servers, so that's fine. What you're going to do is make sure this is the one I use, distribution 16.04.464. That's the one I like to use. This is one I was using tonight. It costs 0.7 of 1 penny to run. I'm gonna go with this one just because it seems more reliable. You get more RAM and everything. I mean, it's taxing. You don't have to worry about anything. San Francisco is the closest one to me. Pick the one closest to you, and then hit create. That's it. You now have a virtual server. Now, while this is building, what's going to happen is they're going to send you an email, which I will skip over, of course, with your IP and your password. You are going to want to use those to get into your server, and which you'll need to do. So, it's built. Copy the IP, easy as clicking it. You're going to open up Putty. Easy as that. All these links are in the description, by the way. Control V, it opens that up. It's going to ask me a question. Network confusion. Of course it did. Well, let's try that again. I'm sorry the network was being a butt. Thank you. Yes. All right. So now you'll type in root. That's your login. And you're going to go to your email. Now I'm going to skip back and be back. Ready? Fantastic. So, control copy, control paste does not work in these console programs. So even though that doesn't work, you can just right click after copying it from your email and hit enter, and it will work. So right click is paste in this scenario. So you right click, paste again because it asks for your current password, and then you want to make a password that once you go to close the account or close the server to save your money, because what I suggest is not just deactivating it because it will still charge you for the time. You want to create a snapshot, which I'll show you how to do, and then it will then you destroy the active server, which saves you money, which saves you the $10 and so on and so forth. Okay, so now that we have this open, I'm going to move this over here. I'm going to move this right here. Perfect. So what we're going to do now is go to this link. I don't want to subscribe, which is how to make an RTMP server from Linux. Perfect. So all you have to do, I like to make sure that my servers are always up to date, which is a command called sudo apt-get update. And then it will look and make sure that everything is up to date. But this part is actually the easiest part, in my opinion. Okay, so now it's unpacking. Okay, it's all done. So all you have to do is come over here. No, you want to do one line at a time. I'm sorry. And copy, which Control-C does work in browsers. Paste, enter. Yes. And then it will download it all for you. And eventually it will stop because it will be done working. Fantastic. It's finished. So we're going to go to the next line. Copy, paste, command not found. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. What I was supposed to do was get all of it. So copy all of this at once and then paste it. My bad. If it does not have a enter in between, I wouldn't do it. Okay, so now next line, copy, and this one has a space in between. So we'll just assume, okay, made directory. Now we're going to change the directory to the Nginx. Perfect. This is the Nginx is what makes an RTMP server an RTMP server. It also has a bunch of other things you can get. You can make it as a website host. Nginx, what I've learned, dang it, come on, me. Nginx has a lot of uses. There you go. All right. Next one. Copy, paste, enter. Copy, paste, enter. And we just keep doing it. Copy, paste. Nice. That's a lot of random. Oh, enter. So I did not mean to select everything I selected. Okay, so let me tell you what I did wrong. I selected the entire web page. Don't do that. So what we're going to do now is select only what you need selected. Come on. Copy. There we go. And paste. It says that no file has been found. Oh, that was my problem. I'm sorry. I skipped a line. Don't skip a line. You get very frustrated. So now you'll copy, paste, enter, and there you go. See, if you get stuck and you get frustrated, go back to the line before and try that, because that's really what's going to just drive you up a wall. So copy, paste, enter. I'm going to skip now until this is finished, because this is going to take a little bit. Awesome. So it's done. So now you want to, what you basically did right there was you created the server. So now what you want to do is install it, which is this last one, and it should not take nearly as long as that did. Enter, go. Perfect, done. So now you want to use this command, sudo, you just copy and paste it. And this will fire it up. So this will start your server. So you right click, hit enter, nothing should pop up afterwards. And your RTMP server is up and running. Now to test that, what we can do is go to the we can go to the IP address that they gave us. So we're going to come here, we're going to click on this IP, we're going to click new tab and paste and go. Welcome to Nginx. Perfect, works. So the way you stop it is you put in the last command, you space -s, stop. That stops your server. So next you go to this command. So like I said, this is how you stop it. You go to this command, sudo nano user config copy blah 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 blah. You type it, or you right click paste it, hit enter. This takes you into the guts of Nginx. All of this is Nginx, believe it or not. So we don't want anything past, so we don't want the HTTP. So HTTP, just hold delete and let it go. We don't want anything under here because this is all just in the works of the internet server. So the tab we were just in. So again, I'll fast forward this. I'll see you when I'm done. We are done with that. Okay, so right now, before you do anything, save. So you want to hit Control X. That will bring up your save modify. Hit Y, enter. It saves all that deleting you did. You don't want to do that again. You can press up on your arrow pad and hit enter again. It will bring you right in here. So you want to go one line lower than the events where we started deleting. And you'll come over to this screen and copy the RTMP. Come on. There we go. Copy, paste. That's bad code. That's bad code. I don't like that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't like that. That's bad code too. So, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that whoever wrote this script uses bad code. I actually don't like this code right here. It bugs me. I have a better code that I'm going to leave in the description that I will be putting into mine. So I'm going to go sign into mine, and then I will just copy and paste from my description. Okay, so just paste from my description, and this is what you get. This is the code that I have in my server. So it's my RTMP server, listens for this port. What's really cool about Nginx actually is if you live stream and you want to record, you can actually set it to record, which is really cool if you ask me. So what you want to do now is go back to here, and you want to put push. Easy, right? So next is what's going to happen to whatever comes after this. So pushing means that whatever is streamed to this server, it will push to wherever you put. So, like me, I don't stream on Mixer, so I'm going to go to Mixer. And I do have an account open, of course. And I am going to... maybe I don't... Okay, stream setup. Awesome. So, the way you want to do this is click Other Software. And then it has the one closest to you, which will be this one. Okay, come on. There we go. Copy. Paste. /. And then copy your stream key. And then you want to use a semicolon. And then you hit enter. So now whatever I stream to there will be sent from my computer to the stream server to Mixer. So it's the RTMP server is acting as a middleman, which is really, really neat. So now what we got to do is, now that we have that all saved, you want to Control X, Y, enter. Perfect, right? Easy as that. Then you want to go press up on your keys until you find the start command. Hit start. It is started. You're all ready to go. You have literally just created a server. But the way to stream, you go in here. I'll bring my OBS over where I'm recording. I'm sorry. We'll go settings, and then we'll go output or stream. I'm sorry. What am I thinking? So you'll want to type RTMP : // put your IP right here and hit V, because that puts that there. Now the application under my code is live. So you put /live, and that tells OBS where to stream to. It doesn't matter what you type in the stream key. RTMP doesn't have a stream key. So just go straight ahead. Put whatever you want there. It could be something profound. Mine says test. It does not matter. You hit apply. Hit OK. Come over here. Whoops. Nope. Come back to Mixer. Wherever it is. There. Mixer's over here. Okay. What we're going to do is to test if it works. We're going to, if I can get it, there we go. And we're going to put this right here. Okay. Mixer. We're going to close this. We're going to go to my channel. Perfect. I'm offline, right? Lenore, you were here. Awesome. Well, I'm going to hit start streaming, and I should pop up there, don't you think? Because I'm streaming. I'm not streaming to Mixer. I'm streaming to my server. So, shouldn't I start streaming to Mixer by the server? You'd think so. And you'd be right whenever Mixer decides. Because it says it's good. If it says it's good, then it's good, right? Whenever it decides. I don't know why it's taking Mixer so long. Good God, why is it on mobile version? Oh, there it goes. Oh, look it. There I am. Perfect. See? Perfect quality, same as what I got here. Awesome. We'll stop streaming. Why it's taking Mixer so long? Fine and Dory is that. Now, to do this is simple, cheap, cost effective. Now, to save your money, you've got to remember to do this every time. And I hate when I don't do it because then it uses up all of my money. See? Usage, $0. What you want to do is click here, click Snapshots, and it'll say take a live snapshot. Oh, wait. Okay, stop your server first. I'm sorry. You're going to want to stop your server first. Okay, now you're going to want to take a snapshot. And name it whatever you want. Test server. It's taking a snapshot. So what it's doing, it's making a little image. So every single time you start up your server, it pops it right into existence. You sign in with your root and the password, create a new password, run the program, and it's there. Easy as that. Every single time it will be there for you, flawless, ready to boot. But you have to remember to, you only have to do the snapshots once, because you usually don't create a new image every single time you turn it off, unless of course you add new Steam keys. If you add a new Steam key, take a new snapshot. It's never a bad idea to be safe. So I always make a new snapshot if I add new Steam keys. That's why I have two snapshots right now. I have my stream server, and then I have the new stream server that has all of the stream keys written out for Facebook, for YouTube, for Mixer, for Twitch, for wherever else I decide to stream at that time. It does take a while. And I was gonna say, what perfect timing. Unfortunately, it doesn't want to be perfect today. And come on, you can do it. Perfect. So now the way you make your server so it doesn't cost you money, if you hit the off button, if you turn off your server, it does not stop the payments. As it says right here, power down. Your droplet before taking a snapshot is to ensure data consistency. Snapshots cost a base of space or whatever, 5 cents. So every time you make a snapshot, it's going to cost 5 cents. Oh well, but 5 cents out of $10, and it only charges you once. So make sure you get all the Steam keys you want in there right away. So I got that. So I want to destroy the server. This does not destroy the droplet or destroy the snapshot. Just destroys the server. This way, it stops charging you. No more charge. You go to create new droplet when you're ready. You go over to snapshots. You know, it's supposed to be right here. Oh, I already have two of them. Your snapshot will be right here. I'm sorry, I couldn't show you that. Mine, I already have 2. You only can have 2. I want to delete one. I want to delete this one. Okay, I can't delete it. But that's it. Then every single time you click start server, you pick which size you want. It will be regioned to whatever region you picked. Then you hit create, and then boom, you're ready to go. So I know that this was a little bit confusing. Pause the video wherever you feel necessary. I believe that this is the cheapest, easiest, and most cost-effective way to make a streaming server ever. And it's great. So I thank you so much for watching this. Make sure to check out the things down in the description. Move that back up there. I thought I unplugged my mic. So make sure to check down in the description for links to all of the programs you need and the referral code to get you $10 towards DigitalOcean. Great deal, by the way. You do have to put in your credit card information. I'm sorry. However, if you go past your $10, it's probably by a few cents. As long as you don't forget for months like I did and racked up a $23 bill. That sucked. But anyway, it will not charge you unless you go over your $10 limit. And just remember to always destroy the droplet after making a screenshot or a snapshot, I'm sorry. So I hope this helped in your journey to make a stream server, an RTMP server, an Nginx server, whatever you're trying to use Nginx for. Very, very versatile software. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, sub. If you've got any more questions, down in the comments. Join my Discord. That's also down in the description below. And I thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.